your revenue with intelligent merchandising. Hundreds of products, thousands of SKUs, and somewhere in your catalog, variants are falling through the cracks. Introducing SKU coverage, the ratio of available to total SKUs for a product, now visible directly on every product tile in your grid. A simple inventory count tells you how many units you have. SKU coverage tells you how many variants are actually represented, every size, color, and configuration. Take this product. A score of 0.7 means that 7 out of every 10 SKUs are currently available to customers. On the adjacent product, 0.2 means only 2 out of 10 are available. Score by score, the health of your entire catalog at a glance. With full visibility in hand, close the gaps by sorting your entire product grid by SKU coverage. Sort high to low and you see your most complete products first, perfect for confirming which items are ready to feature in a campaign or promotion. Now, flip the sorting option and start closing the gaps that are quietly costing you revenue, one product at a time. Sort low to high, and your most incomplete products surface immediately. The ones that need the most urgent attention from your buying and inventory teams. No more manual audits. No more guesswork. Your highest priority coverage gaps ranked and ready to act on. SKU coverage gives your merchandising team the visibility to manage your catalog with precision. The full picture, finally. Transform your product strategy today. Know where you stand and get every product closer to complete coverage.